Hi guys, good day. Today naami karon diri sa Aglayan. So nangita mi og kanang sudan nga para pang paniud to. And moadto mi digto karon sa Torre ni David digto sa
Kabangahan!
So amo mong ubanon digto kay para makita ninyo kung unsa ang among ginatukoy nga Torre ni David. Okay? Bye. So, karon is padulong nami dito sa Torre ni David. Nagsakay nami og multi-cab. Balitaan na tamo kung na namin dito.
Hi guys! So, naanami sa Torre ni David, located in Kabangahan, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. Makita na ni siya along the highway. So, dahil sa direction sa mansion karon guys, kaning nga 3-story building sa kung likod is gi-build ni siya to 1962 by David Valmoleta. And let's have a closer look. Kita ninyo na siya, yung pagsulod ni is two figure of lions.
Torre ni David or David's Tower is an old 3-story house located along the highway of Kabangahan, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. This was built in 1962 by David Valmorida. This was featured in Inquirer.net in 2007, reported that there are some strange and unexplained occurrences in this house. It is really amazing to see preserved old buildings because they have historical and cultural significance and economic value.
historical chosen spot. So, humanaman mi dire sumuadto na punta sa muang ecological chosen spot which is ang Matinaw Spring.
So nanami karon dire sa Matinaw Spring, uban mi.
tips while mag-outing mo, always bring garbage bag kay para inyong mga sagbot is turan nyo mabutang. So, tanawa ra gud ni ang mga surroundings. Ang kaning surroundings. So, hugaw! Hugaw kayong sa nga lang.
Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Wala ba ako nag-food like nasa lagya pero dagan buhok.
Matinaw Spring is a mountain spring whose source is directly from the ground or generally from the roots of the trees. But unfortunately, this resort was not well maintained properly. If this place will be developed as a park, I am sure it will attract a lot of tourists, especially those who live in big cities that who wants to chill and breathe fresh air.
So, nahuman na may diri sa Matinaw. Our next location is Folk Arts in Balay City.
Yay!
Yay! Picnic na punta dito.
Hi! We are here at
Folk Arts.
in Balay City.
Folk Arts Nature Park is home to many tulugans and it is the testament of Bukidnon's rich culture and fascinating mix of tribes.